Today, we will show you how to properly care for your Garmin heart rate monitor. Taking proper care of your heart rate monitor will help keep it performing at its best. Not washing the heart rate monitor on a consistent basis can cause sweat and salt to build up on the strap. An increased buildup of either can decrease the ability for the strap to report correct data. Garmin makes two different styles of heart rate monitors. The first style has a removable module. The second style has an integrated module. Caring for these two styles varies slightly. We'll break down how to clean each of them. Regardless of which style of heart rate monitor you have, it needs to be rinsed after every use. After 7 workouts, the heart rate monitor will need to be cleaned. This is where the process begins to vary depending on what heart rate monitor you have. We'll first show you how to clean your heart rate monitor with a removable module. There are 2 different methods for washing your heart rate monitor. The first method uses a washing machine. Begin by removing the module. Then wash the strap with some other clothes on cold or warm. It is important that you use a small amount of detergent and do not use harsh chemicals like bleach or fabric softener. Also, you can wash the heart rate monitor by hand. When hand washing the heart rate monitor, use warm or cold water and a tiny amount of cleaning detergent. Then, air dry the strap and do not use a dryer. Next up, we'll show you how to properly wash a heart rate monitor without a removable module. This heart rate monitor must be hand washed, as a washing machine will damage it. Use warm or cold water and a tiny amount of cleaning detergent. Once again, you should air dry your strap, and do not use a dryer. And that's it. You can now properly care for your Garmin heart rate monitor. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.